This man was only a few seconds away from taking the bike, but he was forced to flee when the owner chased him out of their home. This robber approaches the car at about 4 o'clock in the morning, opens the door, and then searches the interior for valuables. Why on earth would a delivery person take a box from a house? I doubt we'll ever find out.
Fuck yourself.
Watch this video to see a man breaking into a man's home to steal some sugar.
What's up, man? Can I help you? Huh? What? Can I help you? I'm your neighbor from across the street. I'm just needing some sugar for my coffee this morning. I don't have any sugar. You said you did what? Sugar for my coffee. I can't help you with that. I'm not home right now. I'm at work. Okay, but you got sugar in the house, right? Yeah, but I'm at work right now. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll get it. Yo! This dude is my door down! Yo! Hey! Hey, get up out my house, bro! I got it. No! Why you keep my stuff down? I can't drink bland coffee. Yo! Hey, I'm about to turn you in. You going to jail!
This jerk was seen on camera approaching the automobile door of the subject to check if it was locked. Thank goodness it wasn't. In Lawndale, California, this lady was busted stealing some Amazon shipments. She had no idea that she is being recorded. Of all things, this person was caught on camera taking the umbrella from this homeowner. With that, what was he going to do? The scariest moment of this little girl's life was captured on camera by WESH2 News on May 10, 2019, but she understandably didn't want to be named. The child described the ominous guy as older, driving a black automobile, smiling at her while carrying a camera, and inviting her to come to his car.
He's like old looking and he has a camera in his hand and he's smiling at me and telling, like with his finger telling me to come here.
The creepy man pursued the girl as she ran for her life. As shown on CCTV, The mother of the girl advised parents to talk to their children about strangers because, although it might not seem like it could or would happen to them, it is absolutely possible. So it is best to be ready.
Talk to your kids. Let them know stuff like this can happen. You may not think it can or will, but it does happen.
An unsettling house invasion was photographed. A New Jersey homeowner was residing with her 2 sleeping kids upstairs. They had no idea that someone had broken into their home while wearing a sinister mask. They put up a barrier after hearing rustling coming from downstairs and dialed the cops. On the front porch, this delivery person snaps a snapshot of the meal they just brought and then poses as though they had rang the doorbell. Then, without a care in the world, she flees with food.
Then she pretends to press the doorbell. I was watching the delivery happen on my phone.
Hey! That's my food!
I started recording her.
Give me my phone! What the? Oh my god! What the freak? There's no way this just happened.
Watch how poorly this burglar managed to disguise himself for the doorbell camera. The person who uploaded this footage from Huntington Park, California, claims that on November 20, 2022, at 5:50 in the morning, someone took her neighbor's automobile from this parking garage.
Is it a push button? How did you get it started so fast?
It's a white Kia Optima from 2015 with the registration plate 8PJF507. In this scary doorbell video, a lunatic is driving by on a motorbike. He then makes a full circle and resumes firing. Look at this odd translucent item that was captured by a Ring camera in Missouri. This doorbell video shows the guy being caught cheating on his girlfriend.
How dumb can you be? You know I have this camera.
Look at these burglars who stole some Amazon parcels from this house and were captured on the doorbell camera. In this video, an Amazon driver can be seen purportedly leaving with a number of parcels that were delivered by another courier. Watch how the exceedingly slack Amazon delivery person throws the gift rather than just setting it on the porch. The uploader of this video claims that because the package thief stole a bait box containing filthy diapers that were 2 weeks old, I had to share the honor of catching her in the act. When our Ring camera captures us bickering about Amazon parcels, the uploader of this video writes,
Thank you. He says it's his, I bet you. Oh, it is yours. Oh no, it's mine. You can't have it.
Mine.
No,
You can't come in then.
I
They can't see that.
Bullshit.
These 3 scumbags were caught stealing from this vehicle at around 4 in the morning. They are unable to steal for very long, though, as the homeowner soon emerges from his house and chases them away. Look at this really spooky dude who was captured on video in the dead of night. As he delivers someone's products and then trips and tumbles down the stairs, this Amazon delivery man has a rough day. Unaware that he was being recorded, a weirdo was seen on video peering into this house's window. Then, after a little while, he realizes the camera is there, becomes enraged, and storms off.
But that's what that is. I'm trying to see if they got this there, but they don't. I don't know.
The person who uploaded this video claims that the thief chose to take their neighbor's skateboard. While it was shot on March 6, 2009, this video was shared by regular Bob Smith on December 31, 2011. According to the uploader, this ominous individual passed around the park 3 times and was aware of his course of travel. These kids were being recorded by the enigmatic man. As you can see, he is pretending to be on the phone while holding a camera that is concealed inside a water bottle in his other hand. The kids started to notice the man and were terribly frightened, however. I'm not sure how he managed to get the camera in there. The guy left after being called out by one of the children. I feel awful for those children, and one can only speculate how uneasy they must have felt. It is repulsive. A burglar is captured on Ring camera footage snatching a bike from this doorway. In Manchester, it happened. On their Ring doorbell camera, this individual called a thief who broke into their California house and stole some printer ink, among all things. The robber was seen on video taking from a porch before fleeing. He almost has a terrible slip and fall, but ultimately avoids it. Watch how this stranger approaches the door, knocks, and then bolts. This individual just received a brand new iPhone 15 minutes ago, but they won't be able to use it since this thief approaches the porch and steals it. On Friday, November 18th, at about 6:00 p.m., a renter asked the uploader to check the cameras for a parcel that had been delivered by Amazon around 4:00 p.m. The questioned shipment was scanned as delivered. Then, not long after, this package thief appears and takes it. Watch as this scumbag takes a bike from a gated yard. This Amazon delivery man not only left the customer's box on the doorstep, but he also took it and kept it for himself. Look at this moron who believes his truck will fit well in the front yard. Take a peek at this video to see how this customer's products were handled poorly by the delivery guy. According to the uploader, two guys on motorcycles rode up and took Amazon parcels yesterday afternoon, after they were delivered, not too long.
Just flagging for others to be aware.
This Amazon delivery man opted to chuck the customer's item because he was too sluggish to put it on the porch. Watch this auto burglar search through an unlocked vehicle in the dead of night. These strange individuals were seen on video throwing food on this front porch on January 30, 2019.